Hi, I'm Jason LeBas, the CEO and founder of Bonsai Media Group, digital marketing agency here in Seattle. And today I want to talk to you about our internship program. It's super important to me. My first internship, I was grabbing coffee, taking notes during meetings, and it was horrible. It was a waste of everybody's time. In fact, I didn't know if I wanted to be in that industry thereafter. Versus my second internship, where I was hands-on, I got to work with clients, work with industry vets, and I learned a ton. And so we've engineered our internship program to get you that hands-on experience so when you graduate, you know what to expect.
My name is Janina. I go to University of Washington, Seattle. I'm double majoring in communication and sociology. I'm the director of marketing at UW Undergraduate Women in Business. I primarily wanted to learn a lot about marketing. So far I've done mostly social media, creating content, writing blogs for clients. And right now I am working with Harmony to learn about SEO, digital marketing, and tomorrow I'll be shadowing her, so I'm really excited about that, just to learn more about SEO and what she does as a digital marketing strategist. I like being at Bonsai because I feel like I get to work with everyone from CEO to director of finance, and I get to really learn everything. I feel like everyone's open to teaching me things, letting me kind of just hover over them, learning new things. So I feel like because it's a small company and we're pretty tight-knit, I'm just able to really learn everything, and I really value that.
Of Washington in Seattle. I'm studying linguistics and informatics, and I'm going to be a sophomore. I chose Bonsai because I needed more experience in web development and design, and more experience that was practical. And so far I've been working on web dev, and I've gotten a lot of experience that I'd never been introduced to before in my own work, like client meetings and client feedback, and using plugins and resources like WordPress and Shopify that I'd never used, and just collaborating in general. That's been new.
My name is Andy. I am a senior at Biola University, majoring in business administration with an emphasis in marketing management. I am a social media intern here at Bonsai. Why I came here is kind of a cool environment, chill environment, but I wanted to learn a lot about social media marketing and then also combine it with graphic design. And so it's been great working with Robert, kind of learning the content creation side of it and scheduling side of social media marketing, and then working alongside Jason with the Entrepreneurs Organization and kind of implementing graphic design and content marketing with email event marketing, and then now this week I'm going to start doing website development for the new EO website. So yeah, super great, learned a ton, and I'm glad I did it this summer.